Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. I think it's time to give away another guitar kit. That's right, I just hit 40,000 subscribers, very excited, and Solo Music Gear has generously offered to sponsor another subscriber contest. I have difficulty saying subscriber contest for some reason. Subscriber, it's a challenging word. So for this one, we're going to be giving away an SG kit. It's going to be one with a flame maple veneer on it. It's going to look awesome, I think. I'm very excited for whoever gets it. I don't even have one, so I'm kind of jealous, but yeah, I think it's going to be cool. So let's talk about what you can do to win it. In this one, you're going to have the opportunity to get 3 entries. So of course, prerequisite, you need to be subscribed in order to win a subscriber contest. So if you aren't, go ahead and do that now. And then to get your first entry, drop a comment in the comment section below and let me know what pickups you would put into your SG. For your second entry, follow me on Instagram at the link in the description. Find the post about this giveaway and comment what kind of finish you would do on that flame maple top. And finally, for your third entry, follow the link in the description to Solo Music Gear's Facebook page. Find the post about the contest and let them know what your favorite guitar kit is from there. That's it, 3 entries. I'll randomly do a draw at the end using a randomly generated number off of the computer. I pointed that way because that's where my computer is, and we'll figure out who's gonna get this kit. And let's not forget, this one is available internationally, so we can ship this thing anywhere. It doesn't matter if you're in New Zealand or right next door to my house, you can win. So thanks for watching. Make sure you're subscribed and get your 3 entries in, and we will be announcing the winner to this contest probably in about 2 weeks. So get on it. As always, have a good one, and I will see you next time.